Welcome to Page Turner's Book Cafe. If you're ready to take control of your finances and build a future of financial freedom, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore how to master your finances with practical advice, actionable tips, and wisdom from some of the best financial books ever written. Let's dive in. Part 1. Financial Literacy Foundations. 1. Why financial literacy is crucial. In today's fast-paced world, financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. According to Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad, understanding how money works is the key to escaping the rat race. Without this knowledge, you're bound to live paycheck to paycheck. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions that lead to wealth and security. 2. Key financial concepts everyone should understand. Building wealth starts with understanding the basics. Dave Ramsey, in The Total Money Makeover, emphasizes budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. These 4 pillars form the foundation of financial success. If you master these, you can take control of your financial future. 3. Building a strong financial foundation. In Your Money or Your Life. By Vicki Robin, the idea of aligning your spending with your values is transformative. Setting realistic financial goals, like paying off debt, saving for a home, or planning for retirement, gives your money a purpose. Start small, but dream big. Part 2. The Power of Budgeting. 1. Understanding your income and expenses. You can't manage what you don't measure. I Will Teach You to Be Rich, by Ramit Sethi, offers a simple approach to tracking your spending. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs, investments, savings, and guilt-free spending. This clarity reveals where your money is going. 2. Creating a realistic budget. Creating a budget doesn't mean giving up everything you love. Sethi's Conscious Spending Plan focuses on setting aside money for what truly matters. Allocate funds to your needs, your future, and your joys, all without feeling deprived. 3. Utilizing budgeting tools and apps. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital can make budgeting easier. They're like having a financial advisor in your pocket, helping you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Try one out and take the first step toward financial control. Part 3. Saving and investing for your future. 1. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your safety net for life's surprises. In The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, he highlights how having a financial buffer reduces stress and prevents bad financial decisions. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of expenses. 2. Investing for long-term growth. Housel also explains the power of compounding in investing. Start early and let time work its magic. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham, emphasizes diversifying your investments with stocks, bonds, and index funds to minimize risk while maximizing returns. 3. Understanding investment strategies. Not all investments are created equal. Short-term strategies like trading can be risky, while long-term strategies like dollar-cost averaging are more reliable. Tony Robbins' Unshakable simplifies these strategies and shows how to create a financial portfolio that grows steadily over time. Part 4. Managing debt wisely. 1. Types of debt and their impact. Debt can either be a stepping stone or a stumbling block. Good debt, like student loans or mortgages, can build your future, while bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains your resources. In The Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey explains how to differentiate and manage these debts effectively. 2. Strategies for paying off debt. Ramsey's debt snowball method focuses on paying off smaller debts first for psychological wins, while the debt avalanche method tackles high-interest debts for faster savings. Choose the method that fits your situation and stick to it. 3. Avoiding unnecessary debt. The best way to manage debt is to avoid it altogether. Follow Ramit Sethi's advice from I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Live below your means, avoid lifestyle inflation, and make purchases based on value rather than price alone. Part 5. Financial Wellness for Life. 1. Setting financial goals and tracking progress. In Atomic Habits by James Clear, small habits lead to big results. Set specific financial goals, like saving $10,000 in a year, and break them into daily actions. Track your progress to stay motivated. 2. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan. Your financial plan isn't set in stone. Periodically review it, especially after life changes like a new job or a big purchase. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley highlights how the most successful people adapt their plans as their circumstances evolve. 3. Building a sustainable financial future. Finally, think long-term. The best way to ensure financial wellness is to keep learning. Books like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins provide timeless advice on achieving financial independence. With continuous planning and education, you can create a life of abundance. If you're serious about mastering your finances, start by picking up one of these incredible books. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to read, or if you have a favorite book on financial literacy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a financial boost. Together, we can turn the page to a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Page Turner's Book Cafe.